Okay, guys, I hope I have solved this video. So let's see if I have, okay. See my strum there? C, F. See where I'm strumming at the end of the neck? I'm brushing my fingers down, bringing my fingers back up to give that kind of reggae. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, every little thing gonna be alright. Woke up this morning, I just went wrong. Woke up this morning, see, rise with the rising sun, G. The little birds, F, passed by my doorstep, back to the C, singing sweet songs, C, melodies pure and true, that's G, up to the F. This is my message to C, you, Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing F gonna be alright, C. Don't worry, C, about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Back to that C. Woke up this morning, C, I'm with the rising sun, G. Two little birds, F, by my doorstep, C, singing sweet songs, C, melodies, G, pure and true. This is my message to you. It's a fun one. You can jam it. And I got a request to put it down and send it to you all. So enjoy and happy Halloween.